I don't know about you, but I find trading ultra overwhelming. That's why I use this trading tool. It's actually a Chrome extension, and it has this thing called multi-strategy. Now, when you click on it, you get to pick up to 10 trading strategies. So if I click select all, it will select all of them. And that way, I don't have to actually analyze the graph myself. Instead, AI will use all 10 of these strategies and then give me one signal, meaning out of all the trading strategies looking at this graph, they're all going to tell me what I should do. And the amazing thing about this, the best part about this, is that when all of the strategies say the same thing, like you're seeing right now, if you look over here, 6 out of 10 of the strategies are saying to do a long, and 3 out of 10 are telling me to do a short. Now, what that tells me is that the likelihood of this going up is very, very high right now. So let's just wait for this to finish. Now, the reason I'm getting excited while I'm talking is because I have no idea what I'm seeing here. I have no idea. I just don't know. I'm not a professional trader. All I know is how to use this Chrome extension. I know how to click the select all button up here, and I know how to click the analyze button. That's about as trading literate I am. So I'm not the person to give advice about how to trade. But when I use this Chrome extension, I become this expert who all of a sudden knows and understands all of these trading strategies. Why? Because it's being used by AI on the same graph at the same time. And that way I can get this one single signal. So as you can see, what we're seeing here is the final consolidated recommendation signal. With 4-star confidence, it's a limit order I should enter when the price goes down to 4172 on Ethereum. And it's saying like this: a long position on Ethereum is recommended via a limit order because there's upward movement from key support levels after a period of consolidation. Now, the majority of technical analysis methods strongly recommend a long position. Strategies such as support resistance, the Wyckoff method, and etc. etc. So as you can see, this is like the summary and the explanation of this whole strategy, which basically takes 10 strategies and formulates them into one strategy, which is absolutely fantastic. Now, if I copy all the signals, I can actually copy them to clipboard, and then I can actually show you what the text that's been copied, what it actually says. So here it is right now. This is the text that I just got. So as you can see, you've got 10 strategies, 10 different signals, and they are all saying what they want to say. So here's all the text. So support and resistance with a confidence level of 3 out of 5 is saying to do a long. Moving average is saying to do a long, but with not that much confidence. 2 out of 5, sorry. Then the Wyckoff is saying along with low confidence. Volume profile analysis is saying to do a long as well with not that much confidence. Etc, etc. So they're all being analyzed, and in the end you're given one signal, and which is basically what you're supposed to do. So today I'm going to record now without stopping the filming. I'm just going to actually do this. I'm actually going to do what it's telling me to do. And after I've done it, I'm actually going to place the trade because I actually want to test this AI Chrome extension, which is called Trade, spelled like this, TRAID. You can find it in the Chrome web store, and you can add it for free and use it for 24 hours completely free of charge. And you can test it. Do you know what I mean? Test it, make sure it works. As you can see, we're about to get now results again. And I've just started again, and we can see that the confidence level has gone down a little bit, where there's more strategies saying to do a short than a long, which basically means that based on what's changed in the meantime, it seems that the AI is now saying differently. Now, I would suggest anyone who actually uses this extension to not go into a trade when half the strategies and the other half are disagreeing. As you can see over here, the strategies are disagreeing with each other. Can you see that? It's a 5 for short and 5 for long. But a long position is still recommended overall. But I still don't recommend you do such a thing. And I'll tell you why. Because when you have 5 strategies telling you to go short and 5 telling you to go long, that basically means this is not a good time to trade. For that reason, I'm actually not going to place a trade right now. But in the next video, hopefully I'll find a coin which has some sort of hope or some sort of direction where all 10 strategies are saying to do something, and then I'm going to jump in the trade and you're going to watch me win. So for this strategy, for this specific case, I'm actually not going to jump into this because I'm going to leave this trade because I'm seeing something very, very unique where 5 out of 10 trading strategies are saying to do a short and the other 5 are saying to do a long. And that's for me a sign to not do a trade, which is also very important because when not to do a trade is just as important as when to, yes, take a trade. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.